Hi friends, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well and practicing hard for your IELTS. Today's video is about those who booked their exam with the British Council. Probably you already had your exam or your exam is still booked for the upcoming dates, that is somewhere in the month of August, maybe September, those who pre-booked. At the same time, I would say you had your exam with British Council, but you still have queries with you. You want them to be answered. For example, you didn't receive the result of your previous test. You probably didn't receive your TRF. Who to contact now? Let me tell you in this video in detail that how you can get answer to all of your answers, and you really need not to panic even if British Council is now not operational in India. Well, for your all answers you have to do one thing, and let me show you what you have to do. Let me quickly take you to my computer screen and I will show you that what all you need to do so that you can get the answers of all your queries. Check it out where I am now. I am on the IELTSIDPindia.com because that is the only test conducting body of IELTS in India, since it took over the business of British Council. So I have one very important thing to show you here. That is important announcement. Even before I check on this, these two things that you really need to note down on your somewhere, for example on a diary or on your WhatsApp, just save it. First, the toll-free number of IDP. Any question, any rumor you come across, any false or correct information related to IELTS exam that you listen to anyone, call this number and verify it once. At the same time, I would say ielts.india@idp.com. If you have any trouble, directly email them as well. Let's get on to this part that shows important announcement, and once I click here you would see a page stating all IELTS tests to be delivered by IDP in India from 25th July. That means 25th July onwards, British Council is not going to conduct IELTS exam in India. That is one thing that you of course need to know. But here are test takers fakes frequently asked questions. These are the questions that are there on your mind. What is changing? How will this impact me? What will happen to my data? These are few of the questions, but there is a long list of all the questions that can be there on your mind. For example, my test report still be valid? You took the exam with BC, now BC is no more. Do you have to take the test again? Or that same certificate would still be valid? And of course you know the answer is yes, it would be valid. There is no harm. But something like, how do I cancel my test? What if you have booked the exam date of August or September, and there is, I checked yesterday, that what if I still want to take the BC test, or can I take a test in a different country? Probably you want to go to Bangladesh, Sri Lanka nearby, or somewhere like UK or other country to take the British Council test. So there are all the questions that we answer. So all that I recommend is, rather than following or taking the information from any other source, why don't you check out this web page where the authentic information is available. The BC has posted this information to remain in touch with the students who have booked their exam, or for any further help you need to get in touch with the IDP. I know the students who booked their exam with British Council earlier, now they've been getting the messages that they can take the refund of the test booking fee. So if you are one of those, simply check out the questions here, figure out the answers. If still you have doubts, directly contact the IDP. And at the beginning of this video I shared the contact number and the email where you can find more information. So that's pretty much all from my side in this video, and I really feel that you find this video helpful. If yes, give it a thumbs up and share with other students who have any trouble or question related to exam booking with British Council. Thank you very much for joining, guys. Bye-bye.